7 years ago, exactly on 3rd of June, I joined Think Tank and go to this orphanage home called Sneha Sadan, which is in Nadir East. And my first assignment was simply to just go and make a lot of people smile. We went around splashing colors everywhere. Similarly, at the old age home, we thought what's that one missing link for these old people, which is entertainment. And that's where we went all out and created an entire evening for them where they became judges. And today, 7 years later, I'm doing this where I want to actually give you the reason behind why we do what we do. It's become a ritual for us, and it's something that we really look forward to as an entire team. And this year, we thought we would go to a very spirited home called Aadhaar, which is a home for those specially abled friends that we just made, and they're in the autistic spectrum. We wanted to go there and spend some time with them, the entire team dressed in Bollywood characters because that's what they really look forward to, their evenings where they're watching movies. So we said, why not make that as the theme of the entire event? And we were listening to their stories, we were participating in a lot of activities that they were already doing. It's something you can imagine where there is no hierarchy. We're all just friends making your friends.
Such children whose IQ is less, there is no medicine to improve IQ. And they don't understand what is wrong with them, unlike any other disability. So they basically have to live in the world. They have arrived, they're born here. So there is no other way but to give them social life, which can only happen if there is a residential center housing many such individuals where they feel that they have a social life. So Aadhaar started with that concept.
They watch a lot of these movies and they remember characteristics of certain heroes and heroines. And we thought, why not take Bollywood to them? So we dressed up as a lot of the Bajols and Shah Rukh Khans, and we went to the com and we played a lot of games with them. There was a Bollywood quiz session. We got a magician also. They enjoyed the magic show the most. It's very humbling also to be a part of such an activity for the entire team, to smile and bring smiles to other people. So yeah, that's what
Oh, it was extremely joyful and different, and I appreciate and I would frankly applaud all of you for the efforts you have taken in getting dressed up like Bollywood celebrities. Amazing. I'm sure the kids loved it. And you saw the way they were participating in Bollywood quiz and all. They love. Who doesn't love, frankly?
we do all the thinking and feeling at the agency. We do a lot of these fun campaigns, we do a lot of interesting creatives. But the real legacy, that's these quiet things that we do that make an impact.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल पर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज ज़मीं पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है